This is the first time the boys have been out of their enclosure since the storm started. I've been bringing them food and water and shoveling them out, but they've never walked in snow like this before. Good job, Huckleberry. Careful, guys, it's easy to sink down like that guy just did. Come on, Brucey, come on, Forrest, you can do it, buddy. Oh. Aw, poor Forrest. Come on, buddy. Come on, Forrest, you can do it. You need some help? Good boy. Come on, Forrest, put her into four-wheel drive. Come on, buddy. Come on, bud. Aw. Come on, boys, stay on the... Good boy, Forrest. Nice jump. Come on, Forrest, stay on the trail. Okay, boys, hold on. I need to help Forrest. Good boy, Forrest. Come on, buddy. Let's get you up to the porch. Come on, Forrest. Come on. Come on, let's go. Might have to bring treats to lure you. Good boys. Oh, and I fell again. It's easy to sink down and get mired in this snow, isn't it, Forrest? And you and I aren't the most physically fit specimens on the planet either. Lordy. Keep moving, boys. Keep moving. I'll follow up behind. Good work, boys. Holy, I am winded. Good boy, Forrest. You're almost past the worst. Get you guys some food, some water. Oh, the birds can wait their turn. There you go, boys. Find your way to the porch. Hey, Forrest, no, you're not going in the chicken coop. I don't know why you always try to do that. Now come on. Good boys. Oh. Here we go. We're in the clear. Come on, Forrest. You can do it, buddy. Good boy, Forrest. All right, boys. Now, Huckleberry, or Brucey, hold on. I will put the bucket on the ground. Good job, boys. You did it. There's your reward. Huckleberry, why are you eating Doritos? They were there for the birds. It was stale. Okay, guys, have a nice day.